Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Yeah. So like we are doing, we are about there so we can catch the bird. So stay tuned and watch the video. You are here less talking and more action. You see, pray. See people one day. One this year. One headshot. Then once please subscribe to the channel out there. Take my shot and woodpecker. Alright there so. Me see if I weaver up over there so. Come there so. I say, alright. And I plan for me sim today, so I come closer. I move my foot and come closer and closer. So I'm good. So like me see people shot and woodpecker. See him there. Cook him up. So another big bird right there so miss him. Up a yard me see bird up in the tree now. I search through them there, sit there quiet. Listen to them. And sitting quiet. Pine tree. I search up in the insect. So I go close and pick him off. You see people. Couple more good bird on this. But today one good day today one. Today no bird me I say today. So this is two birds. Come on people. One perfect headshot like that. Think I'm not ringing shot just there. One headshot that one also. Perfect headshot. Come on, me I don't want anybody now. Come on. See here. See there. Two birds today.
That's the one you catch one of them.
Come on, you want to woodpecker now. Let's see slingshot around the girl.
Yeah, we have you to eat pick up. We have
You see some big, some here big one on there. Fine, I take one go over thick. See there. You see one more here. So now see me can make one. See that skit there. Yeah, that skit that in there above. So by rubber. Alright, see something there. See thick them clean up. They look good now too. Round up, shave up. Stone. Poof. I put some like a basket on this. This can't kill a bird now. Thick, well strong guava. Guava thick, I want good piece of thick, you see me, guava. This I want flowers, see flowers them there. Flowers thick. Still strong too. So when I make them see thick I get some here. And then still wet now. I get some here. See the people get up all slingshot done for you, see it. See the plate up. See another one pop off too. See how much time I have to get. So I last skin of colors. Yeah, last skin for 150 feet. Yeah, 150. Same thing. Just skin up a bird. So yeah. See you on a woodpecker there. So like me, so please subscribe, like the video out here. See slingshot there, some pop off after. See, like this. See this one here pop off too. See much tie. So now put this, change this here, see it, put it on this here. A wide whip on about 5 gold. Me have no one else. Thinking the boy you ramping me. Last it. Out in there one. See, bicycle rubber. So like I say, please subscribe. You have a razor. Razor in this. Razor use line up. See dog look up here. See him face there. Small look up here. See. Now mission for them man. In another pot there some chicken liver. Up there one come on and see it. So man, everything lies up here so man, and then we see them man they dead. I heard me here man for brother. Half of them high. Dead. Lice. Any kind of them lice. Boom. Too wide. Yo, people this wanna feel good afraid. You know it there? They feel good. Straight afraid. It's not about the rest of the cow master. If you never move, you're dead. Lice. See the cow in the pot there. Fix up it. Cut off them. Still have to buy more rubber. See it? Cut off them. See a little. Like, comment, so please subscribe, like this video out.